and then get some more decor for the wall. Andrea Renee headquarters. Happy Vlogmas day. We're gonna call this day 2 because I uploaded a video yesterday, which was December 1st. I'm gonna call that day 1, even though it was like a regular content video. But girl, hey, girl, don't I have some news for y'all? If you've been following me, well, if you have been kind of listening to what I've been saying in my past few videos, I've been telling y'all that I've been like super busy and I have a lot of good things coming up, and those good things are, we got a house. Yeah! Today is Friday, October the 15th. Yes, girl, we are still in October right now. And we officially got the keys today. This is our first house together and we are renting. So we're not trying to commit on buying a house right now. If y'all know how the market is right now, girl, no ma'am. But this is our first house and I'm like in a new bathroom. This is gonna be like my wig, makeup type of bathroom. So yeah, we are in a house, y'all. New content is coming, better content. I feel like it's gonna be better content because I can maneuver around more versus when we were in the apartment. Let me finish up doing what I gotta do. I just got done filming. This is a headband wig, y'all. I just got done filming a get ready with me, and that is already up on the channel. So that's like the first video for Vlogmas. So I'm still gonna be doing my my regular content on Wednesday and Fridays. I'm just gonna count it in as Vlogmas. And if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's where we vlog or just post every day for the month of December. So girl, we're gonna try. We're gonna try to post every day. I know I may be slipping here and there, like I may come across a day or two that I don't post, but we will have content on our regular scheduled days. So Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays, like for sure. Dang girl, I got 4 minutes left on this card. I gotta switch it out. Yeah, so I'm about to film another video. I'm gonna use this wig. This is my long wig. It just comes about right here. And it's gonna be like a sit down haul. I cannot wait to share that video with you guys. But I have so much space, y'all, so much space. So in this vlog, I'm gonna show you guys my office. So I'm gonna give you guys like a empty office tour, all of that, so y'all will see that. So I still have some stuff that I'm waiting on that has not been delivered yet, but I also want to give you guys an office haul, like the stuff that I got from my office. It all depends on if I get the stuff in time to do that, and that'll also be in this vlog. But anyway, girl, I feel like I've talked you guys' ears off, so let me put my wig on. And y'all know with wigs, I don't glue it down, girl. This is the band that I use, and this is what keeps it tight on the head. I made a quick trip to Ulta, and you guys already saw this stuff in the video before this vlog because I did a haul, but I'm about to use this. I wanted a curling iron that had this little clip on it because I can use it better than I can a curling one. So I'm about to try this out and see if it's any good. But yeah, I like this bathroom. Let me show y'all how it looks. Let me plug this in. I need to switch out my card because it's about to die, but this is the bathroom. Well, it's kind of like, okay, you walk in right here, got the door closed, and this little area has the sink. I like that I can use all of this for my hair stuff, makeup, well, yeah, makeup stuff, because I don't want to mess up the master bathroom with it. This little thing that was in the bathroom, in well, you guys saw this in some of my vlogs, but I had 2 of them. I just got one in here, and then I have the other one in the master bathroom. And then in here is the toilet, and then there is I bathed my dogs in here the other day. But this is the bathtub. We're not using this. This is one of the bathrooms upstairs. So I will just wash the dog, like bathe the dogs in this tub instead of messing up another bathroom. But I'm not even gonna be using this bathroom for real. I'm just gonna be using it for, you know, the sink. And that's it. But yeah, really nice size. But let me, girl, I'm just talking. Let me do this so I can film my video that I need to finish up for the day. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna show you guys the full house. I'm only just showing you bits and pieces because I like to keep my privacy, but this is gonna be my new office. And it's actually right when you walk in. Instead of making it into a dining room, I feel like this will be a really nice area just for an office. I'll have my computer desk right here. I kind of want it like in the center where I'm sitting facing the window. And then I'll probably have like chairs right here, a nice frame up there. But yes, like I'll just come in here and edit and just do, you know, administrative work in this area. Hey guys, a different day. So the last time you guys saw my empty office, we are back in the office and I have a new desk that I'm gonna attempt to put together. Right now we're just waiting on our bed to be delivered. We got our couch today, which I'll show y'all on another day, but I'm excited for my new office. So this is the desk. This is what it looks like on this picture. Hopefully y'all can see it, but we're gonna attempt to put it together and see if it comes out the way I want it to. I decided to do 2 of the pink chairs. So the pink chair that you guys see in my videos, I went ahead and ordered another one, and I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in that chair. But yeah, I decided to do 1 chair on one side of the room and then another one on the other side. I'll show y'all. Let me just kind of turn this around. Hold on, let me close the blinds, girl. Let me close the blinds. Okay, so let me flip y'all around. Okay, so I'm thinking about putting 1 chair right here. I just gotta put the little feet on it. Over here is gonna be the other chair. So yeah, that's just a nightstand that we had in our bedroom. We're gonna put that in the guest room. I just had you guys propped up on that nightstand. But yeah, oh, and I got a new chair that I'm gonna put together too. So we're about to get to work. Hopefully I can get all of this done. Here's the desk. And yeah, so let's get to it. I was actually in the middle of doing the chair, so I'm gonna finish up with the chair and then we will put the desk together. Okay, we're making progress. We're actually almost done. And these 2 little pieces right here took me, I'd say about an hour and a half to put together because of the instructions. Like the instructions, I feel like they make it so complicated, and it don't even have to be this complicated. But it took me a minute to put these together. And I had to charge my phone, so I didn't have you guys propped up to film because my phone was like on 3%. But I'm almost done and I will show you guys the final piece. I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. There we go. So yeah, we're almost done, you guys. All right, so we are officially done with the desk. This is how it's looking. It looks pretty good. I will say I did mess up. If y'all can see it. If you can't see it, then I ain't gonna say what it is. But I did mess up, but I'm not taking this whole thing apart just to fix it. but it's cool. It's done finally. So now I just need to decorate the walls and all of that jazz. Yeah, so now it's time to decorate. So I wanted to share all the things, well, some of the things that I've started getting for my office, and they're not here yet, but I just got this right here that I am so excited to open, y'all. Ooh, I cannot wait. Hopefully it turned out the way I wanted to. So we're about to open it up. Got my box cutter. So let go. Okay, see what I was talking about, how I wanted the chairs to be on the opposite side. I'm gonna take this ottoman and put it in another room, but let me kind of brighten this up some. It's like late at night, y'all, so it's kind of dark. I'm just using the lights that's in here. Yeah, so this over here is the vase that you guys saw in my other videos, and I got these right here. So this is the pampas grass that I was using, and you guys were always asking me where I got the pampas grass. This is from Estee, and these are the new ones. This isn't what was in the box behind me, but I just want to show y'all this real quick. These are the new ones. So I might do black in here instead of the cream. I just wanted to switch it up a little bit, you know? Kind of have a different thing going on instead of sticking with the whites, the creams. Comes in a set of 3. But look how nice these are. These don't even shed like the other ones that I used. Those white ones shed like crazy. This doesn't even shed at all. And I think this is not real. It's faux pampas. Okay, let me show you what was in the box. I have to keep these over here. So for the longest time, I have been wanting my name. Like, I didn't know if I wanted like a neon light that said my name or just a white one. But I saw this on Etsy and I had to get it. Let me grab that box cutter. Y'all ready? Hold on. Here's one. It has my name. Well, this is Renee. And then the other one. Oh my. It looks so good. It looks so good. And I like all lowercase, if you guys can't tell already. This looks so good. I don't want to break it. Look at this, y'all. Has my name! Andrea, and then I'm gonna hang it up to where Renee is kind of like, hold on. Let me show y'all. So like this. Do y'all see the vision? Do y'all see the vision? Do y'all see this? This is gonna look so good. Yes! I'm so excited, y'all. Look at how good this looks. And this is really thin. Like, it's not too heavy either. So this is gonna be easy to hang. I can use double-sided tape for this. Well, those Velcro stickers, that's what I usually use anyway when I hang up stuff. But I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait to put this on the wall and then get some more decor for the wall. Andrea Renee headquarters. Yes, ma'am. Okay, y'all, I am gonna go ahead and dump all this footage so I can edit this vlog. I haven't even started editing this vlog. But that's it, girl. I'm about to go and take a shower. and finish this up. And I'll see you guys on day 3 of Vlogmas. Bye, girl.